1,2-benzyldiol, or 1,1-hydroxy 2-methylaminoethyl, or simply called epinephrine. Epinephrine or adrenaline can be found naturally from the body. It is a hormone and neurotransmitter that responds in fight-and-flight situations. Just for example. But that is not our concern. What we're after is a synthetic epinephrine drug. Epinephrine is a sympathomimetic catechol-anion. The chemical structure of epinephrine is: the molecular weight of epinephrine is 183.2 gram per mole and the molecular formula is C9H13NO3. Epinephrine solution deteriorates rapidly in exposure to air or light, turning pink from oxidation to adrenochrome and brown from the formation of melanin.
Epinephrine is obtained from the adrenal gland tissue of livestock, as well as in a synthetic manner. It may be synthesized by the reaction of catechol with chloroacetyl chloride, followed by the reaction with methylamine to give the ketone, which is reduced to the desired hydroxy compound. The racemic structure may be separated using tartaric acid.
This medication is used in emergencies to treat very serious allergic reactions to insect bites or stings, foods, drugs, or other substances. It acts quickly to improve breathing, stimulate the heart, raise the dropping blood pressure, and reduce swelling on the face, lips, and throat. However, call your doctor if on the first injection it caused you serious effects such as increased breathing difficulty or dangerously high blood pressure, severe headache, blurred vision, buzzing in your ears, anxiety, confusion, and even heartbeat and or even seizure. Epinephrine as a drug is used to treat cardiac arrest and other cardiac dysrhythmias, resulting in diminished or absent cardiac output. Its action is to increase peripheral resistance via alpha-stimulated vasoconstriction that blood is shunted to the body's core. This beneficial action comes with a significant consequence, in case cardiac irritability, which may lead to additional complications immediately following an otherwise successful resuscitation.
Epinephrine is brown in air. It is also white microcrystalline powder or granules. Its melting point ranges from 211 to 212 degrees Celsius. It should also stored at a temperature at 2.8 degrees Celsius, and it is also sensitive to light and air. Epinephrine is incompatible with acids, acid anhydrides, acid chlorides, and any oxidizing agents. Its water solubility is approximately 0.01 gram per 100 milliliter at a temperature of 16 degrees Celsius. Epinephrine are also odorless and slightly bitter and has a numbing taste, and it is also probably combustible.